A very cheerful good morning to all of you. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start the chapter number 5 of English grammar, that is a verb and its kind. So in this chapter we will study transitive verb or intransitive verb. So now the student, before starting this, you have to know that what is a verb. Okay student? A verb is a word or a combination of words that indicates action or a state of being or condition. A verb is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject performs. Okay, student, what the subject performs. Verb are the heart of the English sentence. Now, children, you have to know about that the verb are divided into two kinds. So now the student words are mainly divided into two parts as a main verb or auxiliary verb. We can say as auxiliary or helping verb. Auxiliary verb को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Helping verb. As a main verb, main verbs are words that actually shows the action or activity of a subject. They can stand alone with the help of any other verb. For example, read, sleep, eat, run. Okay, student. So now, all these verbs can exist independently, okay, and provide complete meaning to the sentence. Okay, I am giving an example. Sun shines. So here, what is the activity of the sun? As a shining. The shining is the main verb here. Now, next is their auxiliary verb. In the auxiliary verb, what is this auxiliary verb? That they give more meaning to the main verb. They cannot stand alone, which means that they require main verb for their existence. Okay, student. As a we categorize into two form as a primary or models. Okay, in the primary verb we have divided into three parts as a to be verb, to do verb, or to have verb. In the to be verb we use a is, are, am, was verb. Okay, in the to do we use as a do, do, does, or did. In the to have verb we use as, have, had. Okay, in modals we have to use shall, will, should, would, may, might, or to, need to, used to. Okay student, I hope you have understood the difference between the main verb or auxiliary verb. Now, children, I hope you have to understood the difference between the main verb and auxiliary verb. So now, what is a verb? Okay, student, a verb is a word which says something about a subject. जो subject के बारे में जो कहना चाह रहा है, और हम verb को क्या बोलते हैं? As a action word भी बोलते हैं. Here given an example, John hit Tom. Okay, the boys are playing football. In the two sentence, we have to notice that as a hit are playing as a verb, as a hit as a main verb, and are playing, are is here as a helping verb and playing is here as a main verb in this sentence. So in this chapter we will study about the two categories of the verb as a transitive verb or intransitive verb. So there are two kinds of verb, student, as a transitive verb or intransitive verb. So in this chapter we will study one by one as a transitive verb or intransitive verb. First, as a transitive verb, a verb that requires an object to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. Transitive verbs क्या होती है? जिसको complete करने के लिए किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? As a object की. Okay, the tailor made shirt. So here in this sentence, the tailor as a subject, made as a verb. So we required the object to complete the sentence as a shirt. Okay, student. So now, student, what is a subject? A subject is a person or thing affected by the verb. So object क्या होता है? एक person हो सकता है, कोई thing हो सकती है, जो किसके द्वारा affected है? Verb के द्वारा. And we get the answer from the question as a what or whom. Okay. The first sentence, the tailor made shirt. So I get the answer. What is the question of this sentence? What the tailor made? The tailor made shirts. We get the object from the sentence as a shirt. In the second sentence, Ashok struck Bali. Here, whom is Ashok struck? Ashok ने किसको पीटा, किसको मारा? बाली को. Yes. Whom Ashok struck? किसने अशोक ने किसको पीटा? Okay. So now you get the answer as a object as a Bali in this sentence. Okay. So now, student, I hope you have to understood the transitive verb. Okay, student? Now, student, look at the example. The man killed. Hope Okay, so here what? The man killed a snake. Man ने किसको मारा? Snake को मारा. The hunter shoot what? The hunter shoot a tiger. And third number is here. The boy pulled. The boy pulled what? The boy pulled the box. Here in this sentences, the verb alone do not make complete sentence. अगर हमने use करे as a boy pulled, तो इसमें complete sentence नहीं बना. Okay, the some things must be added to each to complete the sense. Okay, student, the what did the man kill? A snake. Here we get the answer a snake. So next is what did the hunter shoot? A tiger. In the third sentence, what did the boy pull? The box. The word snake is called the object of the verb killed. जो snake है वो क्या हुआ? Object है किसका? Verb किस killed का. In the second sentence, the hunter shoot a tiger. Here the word tiger is called the object of the verb shoot. In the third sentence, the boy pulled the box. Here the word box is called the object of the verb pulled. Okay, student. So now a verb which requires an object after it to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. Okay, student, you have to understood what is a transitive verb. Transitive verb क्या होती है? जिसके अंदर उसके सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमको एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है, वो क्या कहलाती है? वर्ब. एज अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन द अनदर नेक्स्ट पेज. So now the student underline the transitive verb in the sentence is given below and circle the object. Okay, first one is given by you. Uh, the we received a gift from our uncle in USA. So student, in the first sentence you know very well that received as a verb and gift as a object. In the second sentence, the mother cooked. Here cooked as a verb and dinner as an object in the sentence. In the third sentence, she talked to her mother on the phone. Here, talk as a verb and we can say as a mother and phone as a object. Here we talk about the direct object और indirect object. क्या होता है कि कई sentence के अंदर direct object भी होता है और indirect object भी होता है. Number four, as a driver must stop their cars at the red lights. Here, stop as a verb in the sentence and the car as an object in this sentence. Number five, the doctor asked. Here, asked as a verb and the nurse to hurry up as a nurse as an object in this sentence. Number six, we watched the match on TV. Okay, so here you have to notice that here watch as a verb and the TV as a object in this sentence. Okay, student, I hope you have to understood the difference between the transitive verb and intransitive verb. Okay, student.